in your alliance stations. Qualification match number 31 begins in 3, 2, 1, go!
With all of that admin and logistics worked out, we are in match 31 of 36. Quickly approaching alliance selection. 20 seconds left of autonomous with our number 1 and number 2 ranked seeds on the field on opposing alliances. 2 specimens on the high chamber. Now make that free for each alliance. Samples making their way towards the high basket. 1, 2, maybe even, no, just 2. Samples in the high basket for red. Actually free.
Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
I can count, I promise. Free samples in the high basket out of autonomous for the Red Alliance, in addition to their 5 specimens. Gives them a slight lead out of autonomous, 154 to 144. But Blue Alliance quickly catching up with some samples and specimens of their own. We'll see what happens. I forgot trying to line up with a sample. They're working with the neutral samples this time. That's interesting, as I forgot. I feel like typically goes for the specimens, but in this case, it's the countdown in that role, picking out those samples from the submersible zone, and I forgot team and player converting them into those specimens. I forgot needs to pick out those yellow neutral samples and scoring them in the high basket for the Blue Alliance. Meanwhile, Turtle Walkers, I see a red light in that green machine as they try to drop off those samples to convert into red specimens as well. Not to scale on the front side of the submersible. They use their claw to pick up a yellow neutral sample. Likewise, I forgot doing the same as well as we hit just about 47 seconds left in the match. Live score 254 to 196, still in favor of the Blue Alliance. And here comes the countdown, now filling the role of scoring those specimens. They've got one last specimen carefully lining up. It's in their claw. Under 30 seconds left to play. Turtle Walkers trying to score their stockpile of specimens as well. I forgot and not to scale. Both reaching in for some final neutral samples. I forgot successfully away. Well, it looks like that neutral sample falls to the floor. I forgot. They're on the low rung, seemingly at a level 2. Can they make the level 3? 5 seconds remain. 2 robots climbing the front of the submersible. Not to scale, trying to reach the free. It seems okay, but our referees have the final say as to whether these ascents count, as well as the rest. And we check with the submersible once again. Final score in favor of the Blue Alliance. That's 323 to 307. Excellent work across the board.
We are approaching the end of our qualification matches. Just 5 more to play, which means each of our teams is appearing on the field for the last time before